Okay, guys. So today we will discuss regarding our new indicator access, how you can get the Ravan screener indicator access in detail. If you are a new beginner, this is video for you, right? So for that, once you go to your tradingyou.com website, you will find this home screen. After giving access, what you have to do, you have to go to this home section, then go to this products. You'll find this product section. The first option is supercharts. You have to click on this supercharts. After that, you will be switch over to the chart section where you can apply my or any of the other indicators, right? For applying my indicator, what you have to do, default, like my main suggestion is, first, see, trading you allow just two indicators on the chart, right? So whatever indicator you have applied on the chart, you have to remove that, clear the chart, right? For clearing the chart, there are two options here. You can just click on the indicator and you'll find the dustbin option. You can click on that, right? This is also another indicator. You can find the dustbin option. You can click on that. Else you can go to this dustbin option over here, right? Once you click on this dustbin, you can find this remove two indicators. Once you click on that, it will remove from the chart. I will show you how to delete this from this here from the chart. Once you click on indicator, you'll find this dustbin. I'm clicking on that dustbin option. It will get removed from the chart, right? Again, you can find the second indicator. I'm clicking on dustbin. It's removed from the chart, right? So now the chart is clear. For applying my or any customized indicator, you have to click your chart clear and then go to the indicator section, right? In indicator section, you will find the invite only option. Once I provide access to the indicator, then only you can find this invite only option. You have to click on that. You will find total three indicators, right? Main, you have to apply our two indicators only, main indicators on the chart on daily routine. This is first indicator and this is second indicator, right? Once you apply these both indicators on the chart, it will be automatically applied on the chart and it will show you like this, right? How to use exactly the indicator, what conditions you have to follow, will share you the detailed video in the next coming lecture, right? After applying this indicator, you can see this both indicators is already applied on the chart and showing you the signals, as well as the below indicator is also giving you the confirmation overbought, oversold, everything we'll discuss in next coming video, right? And
Okay,
and whatever, let's say example, you have kept my indicator applied on the chart, right? After what thing you have to do, whatever changes you do to the chart or whatever changes you do to the indicators, make sure you save it as a default, right? How to save it as default, I will share you how to do it. That once for that, you have to go to the chart section. Let's say example, you have currently it's Fibonacci retracement on. I'm just removing that by going to the indicator settings. This is just example. Let's say I have removed the Fibonacci retracement, right? I do not want that on the chart. I just removed that on the chart from the chart. I clicked OK, right? Whatever changes you do, right? And you can also here you can save it as default. Whenever you update anything of values on the chart, make sure you save it as default and click on the OK. And after doing this, all the changes, make sure you keep the save option over here. You can see the here unnamed downside, you can see save. Whatever layout you have kept the name, suppose if you are, the name is Akshar and you have keep the layout name as Akshar, you will find the save option over here, right? So make sure you save it as default. But here, once you click on save, it will default save the whatever settings you have done. After that, you open the same application in mobile or open application again on the another tab, the same settings will be on the chart. Okay, so this is the done, like this is done from mine. And you can apply by using this two. You can apply my indicator. This is the default indicator settings. Still, if you have any confusion, I'm here to guide you. You can call me anytime. This is my direct number. You can call me anytime and feel free to talk. And here you'll get the whole transparency, so no worries for that. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks for your time, guys.